गुड मॉर्निंग गाइज, यू आर वेलकम टू माय चैनल एम का ऑक्सफोर्ड इंग्लिश। स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल एम का ऑक्सफोर्ड इंग्लिश पे। टुडे आई एम हियर टू इंस्ट्रक्ट टू some important rules to get grand success in our life. As you know, everybody wants to get grand success, but everyone does not get grand success in his life. Some reasons are there behind it. If they follow this, then certainly they can get grand success in their life. In my life, I myself have realized a lot, and by my life experience, I myself have set 5 important points or 5 important rules to get grand success in our life. The first is that set your goal. You must have to set your goal that what do you want to be, whether do you want to be a doctor or an engineer or to be IAS or IPS. Then according to your capacity, according to your economic condition, according to your knowledge, you must have to set your goal, and then you must have madness to achieve the purpose of your life. That is your goal. Those persons who have got grand success in that very field, whether that is engineering field or medical field, I mean, what is your aim? Then you have to always keep that very name in your mind, that I myself have to take such a steps that I can reach to that very point. I mean, I can also get top position in that very examinations. Second is that respect time. If you don't respect time, time will never respect you. Then here question arises, how can you respect time? As you know, a day has 24 hours. It can never be of 26 hours or 27 hours. So you have to set a routine, and then according to that routine you have to work. And here one thing that is very important, that never regret, oh, if I had done the work in that past time. Or never make a plan that I will do the work tomorrow or day after tomorrow or next week. I think you have to take the right decision and you have to implement at the right time. I mean, in other words, I can say past is dead, future is uncertain, and the present is the right time to do any work. Next point that is very important for you is that take your responsibility and believe in yourself. Whatever decision you are going to take, whatever work you are going to do, you yourself have to take the responsibility of that very work, whether it brings success or failure. Never think to blame it others, and always believe in yourself. Always think that I have such a capacity that I can achieve the target of my life. The next and the most important point is that keep off the social media as much as possible. We see in modern time people are running behind social media, especially the students are running behind social media. If they reserve themselves and try their best not to go behind social media, then success will go behind them. They will be able to achieve the target of their life in a very small span of time. So this is my suggestion for you. Please try your best to keep off the social medias as much as possible. And the last, that is self-confidence. This is such a power that can bring a lot of success. History is witness that there have been so many great persons like Napoleon and so many others. Due to this very point, self-confidence, they became the winner of the world. So if you have self-confidence that whatever you are going to do, certainly you must be able to get success. If you have this type of confidence, then your aim will be glimpsing in front of you, and one day you will be able to get success. These 5 suggestions are there, these 5 important rules are there. If you follow these rules, then certainly you must be able to get grand success in your life. With these suggestions, I would like to finish my video lecture. If you like these suggestions, then please do like and subscribe my channels, and never forget to share it as much as possible, so that the lakhs of students can visit my channel and they can get the benefit of this channel. Okay, thank you.